Hey everyone, so I saw in a different group something about LoopsClub. I wasn't 100% sure really what it was. I just saw yarn and thought, hey, this might be another yarn subscription. So I ordered it. They do quarterly, so every 3 or every 4 months they do something called a blue bag. And when this is my first order I have gotten from Loops Yarn, or LoopsClub, sorry. This is my first order I've gotten from this company. And when I ordered it said I would get a book for free, Untangled. So here is the book. Normally a $20 book. Let's zoom in. Okay, nice. Let's see what type of content. The 21-day Stitch Everyday Challenge. Oh, that's nice. Oh, cool. Okay, this is a really neat book. I can definitely see myself looking through this. Oh, we've got a bunch of patterns in it too. Okay, this is a neat little book. That is awesome. So I want to say they have a subscription you can get. I want to say it's like $20 a month. And I got the book for free for signing up for it, but it's more of an online subscription where you have like this huge network of people and ways to get help, and they do like knit-alongs and a bunch of other stuff. So if you are a needle knitter, you really might like the LoopsClub like social network system. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, because you get emails every Friday. So there's some kind of neat stuff with it, but I'm mainly a loom knitter. So I just wanted to try it out and check out one of these to see what it was like. Oh my word, look. Oh, that is hilarious. That is so funny. I love that. I absolutely love that. Ooh, this looks like silk. That is so pretty. Oh, and I love those collars. LoopsClub. 100% mulberry silk. Now, this right here is their blue bag. They're one of their quarterly packages. I will put information in the video description below, but I want to say after shipping and everything, it was around $60 for the yarn and stuff. That's really neat. And I got this. I've got this beautiful mulberry silk. Does it tell me how many yards? It doesn't tell me. Maybe it will in the pattern. And I love little project bags. Oh, cell phone sleeping bag. Unplug and knit. That's adorable. Okay, and another plus. Okay, the thing came with a piece of cardboard in it, but this pattern is actually it's actually printed on cardstock. So that's what the yarn I got makes. Oh, that is very pretty. Ooh, it's printed back and front, cardstock shaping. Nice, I love this. So I got pattern printed out on cardstock. Got a little project bag or cell phone sleeping bag. Where'd my pen go? Here it is. I got this adorable little COVID pen. That is hilarious. I got the LoopsClub. It's, oh no, 330 yards of mulberry silk. Feels really nice. And I got the book. The book came free with the monthly subscription to, it's more of a subscription to their community and their emails. This is their quarterly project. If I'm not mistaken, I think they go over they have sort of a knit-along project kind of thing that goes along with it. But it did seem like they really do have a lot of resources on their website. For me, I'm not a lifelong needle knitter. I typically stick with loom knitting, so I definitely wanted to check it out. The book is really nice. I love this. This yarn is so nice, and it will definitely be making some type of a shawl, something to go around my neck because it is so soft and smooth. And the pin and everything, I love it. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. For more information about all of this, check the video description, and there'll be some direct links and some information about the items you see here. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you can turn on your notifications so that whenever I do have new patterns come out or videos come out, you will get an email to let you know. Thank you guys for watching.